Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am talking about something super exciting. Face oils. Yup, those little magic drops that make your skin glow like sunshine. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our skincare secrets. Now, let's get started. Choosing the right face oil can be a bit overwhelming with the myriad of options out there. But fear not, I'm here to guide you through the process. Firstly, identify your skin type. Is it oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Different oils cater to different skin needs. If your skin tends to be oily, go for lightweight, non-comedogenic oils such as grapeseed oil or tea tree oil. These help regulate sebum production without clogging pores. For those with dry skin, opt for richer oils like avocado oil or almond oil. These provide deep hydration and nourishment to combat dryness. If you have a combination of oily and dry areas, consider using a versatile oil like jojoba oil. It helps balance oil production and keeps your skin well hydrated. Sensitive skin requires gentle care. Look for soothing oils such as chamomile oil or calendula oil. They help calm irritation and reduce redness. For those concerned with aging, oils like rosehip oil or argan oil are excellent choices. They're packed with antioxidants, and it can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Always check the ingredient list. You want pure, high-quality oils without unnecessary additives or fragrances that could irritate your skin. Okay, now that you've selected the ideal facial oil for your skin type, let's delve into the application process. Always apply your face oil on a clean canvas. This ensures that the oil can penetrate and work its magic without any barriers. A small amount of face oil can go a long way. Just a few drops are sufficient to envelop your entire face. You don't want to drown your skin in oil. Now the secret is in the application technique. Gently massage the oil into your skin using upward motions. This boosts circulation and enhances absorption. Adjust your application technique based on your skin type. If you have oily skin, focus on the drier areas. For dry skin, make sure to cover the entire face, paying extra attention to any dry patches. But wait, there's more. For an extra boost of hydration, mix a few drops of your face oil with your favorite moisturizer. This creates a powerhouse combo for glowing skin. Face oils make an excellent primer. Apply a small amount before your makeup routine for a flawless, dewy finish. And there you go, your go-to manual for achieving that radiant glow with face oils. Illuminate your skin and enjoy the journey to a luminous complexion. Remember, it's not just about choosing the right oil, but also about how you apply it. Experiment, find what works best for you, and embrace the glow. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your skincare-loving friends. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite face oil. Until next time, stay beautiful and radiant.